welcome back to my channel. Today is the most exciting video I've ever done because if you know me, you know I love all things fall, all things Halloween, autumn, all of it. If I could keep my apartment decorated for Halloween all year, I would. Right now it is the middle of September and I think it's time to decorate. So if you're interested in seeing how my apartment turns out, maybe get some ideas for your house, just keep on watching. The first thing that I like to do when I start decorating is to clean off every surface that I'm gonna be using. I just want to make sure there's no like dust or pet hair or anything on there. And then to start off, I'm just using these leaves. It used to be like a strand of them, but my puppy actually got into it and ripped it to shreds, but we're still making it work. I'm just using the leaves and just kind of piling them on top of each other across the TV stand to give it a fall look. Next, we are going down on these shelves and I'm again just going through and cleaning to make sure there's no dust or anything gross. I'm adding in this cute little like wicker pumpkin I found at Home Goods, as well as this sign. Then I'm going on the bottom shelf and adding a little Halloween touch. I got this cute little ghost from TJ Maxx, and then I also have this pumpkin candle and I'm just putting it on the bottom as well, and here is what it looks like. I think it turned out pretty good. It's pretty simple, which is what we kind of like, so I like it. Next, we're moving on to the basket by the side of the TV. We're just putting in a blanket there. Y'all, this couch, it is too small. We ordered it online and it came and it was like a dorm-sized couch. So we were in the works of getting a new one. Moving on to the tiny couch, I'm just taking everything off of it to give it more of a festive look. Here I'm just putting on some cute little Halloween pillows. I actually got these from Walmart last year. Next, moving on to the coffee table. Again, I'm just using wet wipes. I'm taking everything out of the little tray and I'm going to be cleaning the inside of that as well before I put some new decorations on it. Of course, we have to light a candle to get into the fall mood. Next, we're moving on to the kitchen for now. I'm just antibacterializing the surface. I'm taking everything off of the kitchen counters to make sure it's all clean. I had this little jack-o'-lantern and I didn't know what to do with it, and I was like, I'm gonna put it in the kitchen. And I actually think it ended up looking pretty cute. I just put the corks right next to it and added a few pumpkins here and there. This next decoration is actually my favorite. I got this cute little local fresh pumpkins from Home Goods, and I just put it on top of the refrigerator and tried draping some leaves over the top of it. It was actually a really tedious process. It took me a while, but the end result is so cute. By this time I was getting a little thirsty and I wanted to make some candy corn hot chocolate with some whipped cream, cinnamon, and sprinkles on top. Of course, you have to add the candy corns on the top as well. It was really, really good, and I made one for Jack and he liked it too. Next, it's time to put up our skeleton, Mr. Bones. He's just getting hung in the hallway to my office. He looks so cute right there. Moving on to the bathroom, again, taking everything off of the counter and spraying it down, wiping away all the germs. Same with the mirror, you gotta spray that down and wipe. Next, it's time to use my little skeleton kittens. I decided to put this on our little tray right here and then add a candle for some color. Of course, we have to add our fall soap in there as well. And then look at these cute little Nightmare Before Christmas like perfumes that I saw. I just use those for decoration and I always bring them out in the Halloween time. Next, I'm using this candle stand to put in the other skeleton kitten. And then I'm just putting a white pumpkin in front of her, and this is what it ended up looking like. I think it's pretty cute. It's spooky. We love it. I then decided to add this bone garland. So originally I wasn't even gonna decorate my office, and then I found this cute little ghost that you can hang from something, and I was like, I'm gonna hang it up there. Also, look how cute this little cat is. His little googly eyes. Then for the bedroom, we decided to keep it pretty simple. It's already pretty minimal in there already. So I just decided to put in some white pumpkins to kind of bring in the fall vibe. And then I added this cute little Hello Pumpkin sign that I got from Walmart. Next, I decided to use my last little strand of leaves to drape across the mirror in the corner. I also added this cute little skeleton thing on the dresser. A few more pumpkins. Alright everyone, that is it. That is my fall/Halloween decorate with me for this year. I might do a part 2, I'm not quite sure, so just be sure to subscribe and leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.